after watching the hearings of the insertions, the alleged corruptions, billions already set aside for lawmakers, etc. What is your reaction and how does this affect the Department of Defense?
Well, yung reaction for me, no, parang taong bayan talaga is na, I'm furious about it. Just like the president, kaya nga dun sa panguna niya, dun sa speech niya, mahiya na kayo. No? Now, hindi naman niya maipinpoint for reasons of, he really wants to see a prosecution and somebody to be made accountable. And for those who are trying to evade the investigative process, umuwi na kayo, harapin nyo ang kaso. That is why, bagamat nakakagalit, no, alam na natin yun. What we want to see is matranslate itong mga investigasyon sa ebidensya para may mapatawan ng karampatang parusa. Because the credibility of this investigation is a litmus test for all our institutions. At dito umaasa ang taong bayan